Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to be having a look at reproducing similar sort of tones to the special algorithms on the Virus TI, and also similar to what you might get out of Harmor or other decent additive synths. Okay, so let's just have a listen to this clip. So the sound I'm talking about in this instance is this one. Okay, so you'll notice that's coming out of Serum, but we're going to use Vital to do this because it's the most accessible synth for everybody because it's free. So let's get a brand new Vital. Here we go. And there are so many different variables that you can change to get different tones and timbres out of this, but I'm just going to show you the way I like it best. Okay, so I'm just going to go Factory, Basic Shapes. I'm going to go for a square. I'm going to set it to formant mode. Makes a pretty small difference, but I prefer it. It's a little bit more textureful with that. Then let's set this up as high as it'll go, 48 semitones. Then let's set the unison down to 0, the number of voices to 16. We also want to right click here on the detune power, enter value 0. That's quite important, that one, because it really heavily affects the way it will sound. So do what you want, but the way I like it, it's at 0. Okay, now let's pop into advanced. I always turn on the high res wavetable. Not really sure if it makes a huge difference for this, and then we're going to turn the stereo unison all the way down, and we're going to set the detune range to 30. So again, you can set this to whatever you want, but I find 30 is a really pleasing amount of detune for this technique. So anyway, all we need to do now is get a LFO, and let's just make a ramp up, and we want seconds, and we want 4 seconds, because that's how long the window is for resynthesis. So let's turn smooth off as well. Chuck this on the amount of detune. Okay, and now just go to another oscillator, right click it, and go resynthesize preset to wavetable. Okay, so now we should have a really, really interesting waveform. Sounds even better if we put a bandpass on it. Let's grab 24 decibel one, and let's just have it really random for now. So yeah, there you have it. Nice and easy technique to make really, really interesting wavetables. You've got a lot of different textures in here. Pretty much all nice textures, really. Almost any way you set this up, it's going to sound interesting at least, and if not great, to be honest. So yeah, give this a go, make a ton of wavetables, and enjoy. See you next time.